Hey, Homestead Prepper. Okay, this is about shipping container roof repair. I've got a couple holes right there. I could almost put some caulk in that and stop it. I'm not going to do that though. I'm going to sandblast it, do it right, and patch it properly. And I've got just these little bit of holes right here. So I've got some other spots here that will eventually rust out. So I'm going to be blasting that, and I will be putting some Rust-Oleum. And I've got this stuff up here. Let's get all the way up here. And let's get this stuff off of here. Be careful what I'm doing, because it's real easy while you're running the camera not to pay attention to everything, and you have an accident right now. Turn off. Fine. There we go. Get this stuff off of here. Make sure you don't slip off too. Ow, the secret weapon. And my tried and trusty blower. Now it's kind of broken, but I would get rid of it, but it has great sentimental value to me. So let's see if we can get these things off of here. Okay, well that cleaned that right off. Bunch of leaves. You see where it just pulled the paint right off of it, and that's just going to be an area that's going to start rusting. So, all right, well let's get the blaster or wire wheel, or let's get something up here, and first thing we're going to do is take care of these rust holes. So, okay, I got that kind of cleaned out a little bit. I've got this hole right here found out, and I've got this piece of metal that I got donated from that barrel lid right there. There's really nowhere to hook the ground onto. Now they do make magnetic grounds, and I don't happen to have one, so I just welded that little piece of metal on there temporarily so I can weld this. So let me get that welded, and we'll get this all covered up here. Alrighty, well we got that welded in there, and need to hit a few more spots on here. You see right here where I ground it out, and there's another hole there. I'm just going to take the welder and just fill that in with the flux cord wire. I've got this piece cut out right here. I'm going to weld it like that, and then I'll take a hammer and bend it over, and I'll weld the other side. So we'll get that on there. Alright, we got that welded on there. We need to clean it up a little bit, but just take this, bend it over. Something like that. We got it bent over something like that. That ought to make a nice little weld bead in there. So something like that. All right, I got that patched up. Not exactly a job I'd be proud of on a classic muscle car, but on this shipping container it's going to work good. Okay, I've got this piece patched up here. Just need to hit it with that grinder. What I'm going to do is probably get some cold galvanizing spray and put that up there. I've got some other surface rust up here. I need to hit that with a sandblaster, so I'll probably using some of that rust inhibitor, and I'll probably put some Rust-Oleum primer up here, followed with a Rust-Oleum top coat. If I can get another 10, 20, or 30 years out of this shipping container, I'll be happy, because it'll most more likely be somebody else's problem by then. I need to make sure I remove that. That's a tripping hazard. So, all right, well, let me see about getting some compound up here and grinding that out and finish it up. All right, I touched that up with the wire wheel a little bit, and I'm just going to take some of this stuff right here and galvanize it. Just as simple as that.